somewhere. And head is very similar to the verb go, but there is a little difference for when you might want to use the verb to head somewhere. And the difference between the two is that when you say you're headed somewhere, it sounds like you're going there for a purpose. You have some special purpose when you go. Let's try using it in a sentence to see. Okay, so here's the situation. Mary and Lisa are going to the cinema. Okay, why do you go to the cinema? Why do you go to the movies? To see a movie. And what if you're going to the movies with a different purpose? Fabian Perez asks, is it like I'm heading home? Yes. But the difference between saying I'm heading home and I'm going home, it sounds like if you say I'm heading home, you want to do something when you get home. There's a purpose for going home. Otherwise, just say I'm going home. So let's go back to the situation here. Lisa and Mary are going to the cinema. Now, you go to the cinema, why? To see a movie. What if you're going for a different purpose? What if you're going to meet some friends? Okay, so you have like a different purpose, something a little bit unexpected, something a little bit different. Maybe you would want to say, instead of going to the cinema, they're headed to the cinema. Okay, let's see. Or let's not, I'm saying cinema because most people understand that word, but I'm going to say movies. That's what I would probably say. They're headed to the movies. They're heading to the movies. Now let's make a when question. When are they? When are they? When are they heading? When are they heading to the movies? And here is the answer. At 7. At 7. They're heading to the movies at 7. Now let's make a why question. Why? Why are they? Why are they heading? Why are they heading to the movies? Why are they heading to the movies at 7? And the answer is to meet some friends. They're heading to the movies at 7 to meet some friends. That's their special purpose. I mean, in reality, you can use either one. They're going to the movies to meet some friends. They're heading to the movies to meet some friends. It's the same, really. But it's a good idea to use heading when there's a special mission or a special purpose at the other end, at the destination. Let's try another example. Mike is going to his son's school. Why would he go to his son's school? Maybe to pick him up. That would be a logical reason, or drop him off. But if there's some other reason, some kind of special mission, some special reason, maybe we would use headed instead. So maybe his son forgot his lunch this morning, so he needs to drop off the lunch. This could be his special purpose, something different, something a little unexpected. So let's say he's heading to his son's school, and then that sounds like he has a mission. He's heading to his son's school. Now let's make a when question with that sentence. When is he? When is he heading? When is he heading? When is he heading to his son's? When is he heading to his son's school? Here's the answer right now. He's heading to his son's. He's heading to his son's school right now. He's heading to his son's school right now. Okay, now let's make a why question with that sentence. Why? Why is he? 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 Why is he heading? Why is he heading to his son's? To his son's? Why is he heading to his son's school right now? Why is he heading to his son's school right now? All right, and the answer is because his son forgot his lunch. He's heading He's heading to his son's school. He is heading to his son's school. He's heading to his son's school right now because his son, he's heading to his son's school right now because his son forgot his lunch. His son forgot his lunch because his son forgot his lunch. He's heading to his son's school right now because his son forgot his lunch. Okay, now let's just take another look at how it's being used in this paragraph. Clyde easily located the spires of the ancient rectory, and he headed toward his destination. So why are they using headed in this paragraph? What is his special purpose? Why is he going in the direction of the rectory, in the direction of the church? Because he wants to find the treasure. That's his special mission. So he's heading to the rectory.